truck back. What are you doing right now?
Pulling the freeze plugs out so it doesn't get clogged with the solution. It's good now.
There's a fucking ladybug up there. Lock them up in the hyperbolic time chamber. Locked up. Little asbestos right there.
Yummy. Forklift on a two-post.
Wheels over here.
I know, you literally got the stack of rims over there.
I have food central wheels over here.
Doing some VBO bolt removal. Gonna remove the whole solenoid now. So we can start separating the heads, clean the heads up a little bit more.
This is where apparently there was an issue on the motor. And only a part on the head that's loose, so let's see how it looks. If I can get it off. I don't think there's anything else holding it on. Inside of here. Once you remove those, it should pop out. I need the socket.
2 hexes in there and then it should be able to come off.
Got the first one off. Just had to take out these hex bolts that were in here as well and just wiggle it off slowly. This is magnetic and it was grabbing onto that, so it was a little tough to fully shake it off.
Just gotta move on to the next one now and then we can start doing everything else.
Is that all of them? This one hasn't been beaten off before. It's never been beaten off. If it's going, or that's just a ginormous RTV gap. This one's off, so we can just lift this one and move it.
That one's been beat off.
This one has been beaten off before.
We got this one off. One stupid bolt right there that was out of my view. It's all separated now. All we do is
Looking good.
wow. Rainbow ring around that.
The journals for the cam are looking pretty good on the head, but the cam itself is pretty worn.
It's not like finger noticeable though, so if you sand it down, it'd be fine.
Yeah, that's true.
Smoothing it back out. Oh, yeah. Is there a release?
Woo! Not holding as high.
That doesn't really matter.
Yeah, it's just holding up. I'm covering the whole board. Yeah, it's holding.
You be off. You're
How's exhaust? Boom. Oh, it hurt.
Vacuum tested the heads, and they all tested fine, but we noticed the buckets all pretty scorched and burned. Like, look at that. So probably not gonna get an exhaust cam, but I will get all new buckets and redo the valve lash. Got the bottom end pieces out the parts washer. They're all clean now. No more oil residue. Very nice and shiny on the outside. Let it sit in there for about a day, just cleaning. Let it wipe them down. Looking good.